Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. So on the Polygon chart, while we are still holding above the, what was it, October or November low? Above the November low, it is likely the market will form another low as per the yellow scenario. This is the scenario in which the wave 4 is still unfolding. I warned about it because this rally was only in 3 waves, so couldn't be trusted. We see the effect now, but we see it all over the altcoin space. So it is a bad day. It's been a rough weekend. Sentiment was running hot in the crypto space. We now see fear. Bitcoin is nearly oversold on the daily RSI, not quite yet, but I mean, it is possible we are approaching key support for Bitcoin. That would certainly help the altcoins, but it is still pretty rough, and there is no sign of support at this stage or of a turnaround. So just making sure that you're prepared for possibly lower prices. There's absolutely no sign of a recovery here on the Polygon chart. The scenario would be, and this is still a scenario that needs to be taken with a grain of salt. Yeah, even here, even though this is still seen as an overall bullish structure in a wave 4, I don't necessarily believe it's playing out. I just want to share with you the next support levels. Below 18 cents, we're going to see it drop down potentially to 62 cents. Just be ready for that, right? That's just, it's just reality, what can happen. First of all, though, I would watch for support in this area between 18.6 cents and 25.9 cents. This is a support zone because we're tracking this as an A, B, C structure, and then the C wave as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And why do I do that? Because the price rallied only in 3 waves. So the problem is this could have been a diagonal to the upside, right? So we at least considered it. But with a break of micro support, it's likely going for another low. And the main problem will be that, you know that I see Bitcoin as, sort of around the end of the cycle. Yeah, I've been warning about that for the last couple of months constantly. And I mean, I don't know if Bitcoin is going to make another high. I assume it still. But even if not, right, then there's limited potential for Polygon to hold support. I mean, I don't know how Polygon wants to do it if Bitcoin enters a bear market. Even if Bitcoin just goes to 80K or 75K, I don't know how Polygon would hold 18 cents. Just be ready for that. The trend is down anyway at the moment locally, and we just need to see if the market reacts to one of these support levels. Specifically, the next one would be 25.9 cents, but my take is it's going to reach 19 to 18 cents at least. The reasoning behind it is that if this was a third wave here, it nearly reached the 138% extension. The 5th wave should at least go once lower, or 1 fib level lower, and then we talk about 19.6 cents. I don't see how it could save the white count. It will likely be invalidated. It might already be invalidated. So yellow is leading clearly. Maybe even something more bearish, which would be a larger B wave correction. What that would mean is that the initial rally into the 2021 high was an A wave in 3 waves, because it's a 3-wave top, right? This here was, an A, B, and then it depends on how low we go, essentially, right? It might subdivide differently. 1, 2, and maybe this is all part of a third, still 4, 5 or something, and it lands there. This is possible, right? This chart has just been a disappointment throughout the entire cycle. It failed. The biggest issue was when it started to fail, like 1, 2 setups. It didn't hold and then continued to go lower, 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 lower. It entered support, bounced, but only in 3 waves. That was the warning, and now, that's sort of just an update about the market structure right now. We would need to see at least, I would say, a break above the last swing high at 50 cents, really. Okay, that would be a significant signal because it's also far away. I think the first signal that a low of sorts is in place would be a break above the last high at around 42 cents. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.